Day 8 of my Japanese adventures is my last day in Osaka. I went to local Kizu fish market to try popular Kaisendon I saw on Instagram. You pre-order the bowl while waiting in line. They open at 6 a.m. and close the line a bit after 9 a.m. I arrived at 8 and my wait was 1.5 hours. The uni Ikura don I ordered was very fresh and tasty, but I'm not sure if I want to wait 1.5 hours for that. They give you seaweed with the bowl, so I made my own uni hand roll. They are cash only. The meal was quick within 25 minutes and you will see the line again as you exit. The line might seem short, but there is a big gap for the cars. The line continues over there. I had to rush back to my hotel to pack for 11 a.m. checkout, so I just took a quick look at the Kizu fish market. Kuromon fish market is more for the tourists and Kizu fish market is more for the locals. The wait at the Kaisendon was longer than I thought, so I had to rush back to my hotel to pack. Okay, I'm checking out today, and actually I only have 28 minutes left to check out. So I'll do my packing as fast as I can and then check out. Alright, good luck. Okay, now it's 11:15, 16. I think I'm pretty much done. It's crazy. I don't know where my bag came from, but okay, whatever. That's quite a day. Maybe I can repack outside. At 11:17 a.m. when I was leaving the room, the lobby called my room to tell me that I was late for my checkout. They said I need to pay 1,500 yen for late checkout. I told them I was leaving and don't charge me. The weight in the lobby comes in handy. Officially, the weight limit for 160 size for luggage forwarding is 25 kg, so I tried to add more stuff to my suitcases in the lobby. But later on I realized that they don't really check the weight. They only check the size. Now I can relax a bit and consolidate my stuff in the lobby. Earlier, 2 Hong Kong women saw me with my luggage and said to themselves in Cantonese, "I thought checkout time is 11 a.m. First of all, I understand Cantonese. Second of all, I couldn't help it. Wait at Kaisendon this morning took too long. Next, I'm going to have the hotel store my hand-carry luggage while I send my 2 suitcases from Osaka to Tokyo. I got the form from 7-Eleven earlier so that I could fill it out in advance. 7-Eleven is just next door. They took the measurements seriously, but they never checked the weight. The cost to send a suitcase from Osaka to Tokyo was 2,530 yen. Anytime. I actually just dropped off my 2 large suitcases at 7-Eleven in Osaka, and they're going to ship it to Tokyo. This is a big game changer. My hotel charges the same price without surcharge. Some hotels like Disney have a 460 yen surcharge. After dropping off my suitcases, I charged my phone in the lobby and waited till 3 p.m. for the hotel onsen to open to enjoy. After onsen, Monaka. Ice cream. TV. Unlimited ice cream. I'll be here for a while. Second one. I didn't have lunch today. I had an early breakfast, Kaisendon at 9 or 10 a.m. Okay, third one, and the last one. So it takes about 4 hours to get to Tokyo. I need to leave soon. Because I need to meet my host mom around 8:30. And now it's, I don't know what time it is. But if I leave now, that's about the right time to meet her. Sometimes if stairs are the only option, I have to carry my stuff separately in 2 ranks. I took the local train to Osaka to transfer to Shinkansen. At first, I selected the nearest Shinkansen station, but I realized you can actually select the JR station directly for the same price. I was confused. 8,910 yen became 13,870 yen when I checked out. It must be the express surcharges. I picked up a salmon and Ikura rice bento for dinner on the train. The good thing about having cheaper and assigned seat is that you can get on the Shinkansen anytime. You don't need to worry about catching it at a specific time. I sat next to 2 businessmen who got off soon at Nagoya. One of them offered to help me with my luggage, but I just kept the heavy stuff by my side. It's easier. I only put my backpack on the top. I moved to a window seat as some more seats opened up. The salmon and Ikura rice Ekiben was not bad. It's just a bit salty and too much rice. It took a bit over 2 hours to get to Tokyo from Osaka. This time there are no escalators going down, so I have to carry my luggage separately in 2 times for the stairs. Reunited with my luggage with my fingers crossed. It's Friday night rush hour. I just prayed that I would survive. I could take the taxi, but I already spent too much at the airport taxi in Osaka. I walked to my homestay slowly. It's common for tourists to walk with their suitcases. Going uphill at the slope. Okay, flat surface is not that bad. Speeding through, much better. Smooth ground. Flat surface, not uphill. Okay, I'm getting there. Definitely tired. Quite some exercise. I guess I lost some weight. I can eat more. Eat more sushi. I need to reward myself for saving money on a taxi. Residential neighborhood. I think this is it. And then the room is here. Oh, kawaii. Oh, nice. Okay, it's bigger than I thought. Has some space. Okay, this is my room. What a day. I'm glad that I made it to Tokyo in one piece. In the future episodes of my Japanese adventures, I'll share more about my homestay and housing options. Stay tuned.